You'll find the headlight control switch left of the steering column on the instrument panel. Turn the control to the first position for parking lights. Turn to the second position for headlights. You can also turn the control to the auto position. In this position, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on the surrounding light levels. The dimmer control switch controls your instrument panel lights. With the parking lights or headlights on, or with the switch in the auto position, rotate the dimmer control for the interior lights to increase the brightness of the instrument panel lights. Rotate to the next position to brighten the odometer and radio controls when the parking lights or headlights are on. Rotate to the last position to turn on the interior lights. If your vehicle is equipped with a touchscreen, the dimming is programmable through the Uconnect system. To activate the front fog lights, turn on the parking lights, low-beam headlights, or put the switch in the auto position. Then, push in the headlight switch control. Push the headlight switch control a second time to turn the fog lights off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.